Hey, good evening, Nevada Arcade viewers here on YouTube. You see that security seal? If you can read upside down, of course it's addressed to the Prize Zone Arcade. It is from Best Buys, and Yoshi has been bugging me all day to open this. Now, this is our first unboxing. I always thought these were a little bit corny, but this is what we bought when we were on our last road trip to California at the last arcade auction. We went in a Best Buys just to kind of kill some time, and in the meantime we killed $1,000. Alright, here we go. This is kind of heavy. This is a Mavic Pro. This is the one that everybody is talking about, and there are tons of people on YouTube doing aerial footage. We're going to figure out how to get this open without destroying the box. We may need this box. Well, this is an unusual one. We'll figure it out. Anyways, we are going to expand our channel into some aerial exploration with the use of a drone. I don't know if salvaging this box is going to work. Okay, there we go. Oh, now look at this. Another puzzle. Alright, we're getting there. Like I said, guys, this is heavy. There's a lot of stuff in here. You know, of course, there's the drone, which is here, and several manuals. I would imagine that is the charging station in that bag, and that'll be what we transport our drone in. Now, look here. In this set of styrofoam, these are some big batteries. Look how big. Look at the size of my hand. These are huge. This drone, and I just hit the, must have some charge on there. Alright, let me clear the mess off here so we can open things up on our workstation. This has to be the charger, I would think. I'm kind of anxious to see. Now look here, when they said manuals, you guys see how many manuals are in there? There's 1, 2, 3, and then a big thick one. So we have a lot of reading to do. Here's some straps. Boy, look at the stuff. It's got to be... That's a memory card of some kind. Oh my gosh, look how this stuff is packed. There's so much stuff in here, but I'm just going to pull it all out. We may never get it back in, but we've got to know what's in here. Here is one of the controllers. And I say one because I'm not sure how many it has. If you could see the packing material here behind me, excuse me, you would be amazed. All right, let's lower us down here so we can get a little better vantage point. All right, I apologize for the clunkiness here. All right, now we're in a workable station. This must be something to do with the battery charger. Of course, we've got one power supply, two power supplies. I'm sure one charges the controller. Now, this is pretty cool. We're wondering if, I would hope you see the image from the camera here. Makes it easier to steady. Very nice. Look at that. It's got a control on the other side. Something else folds open. We should probably have read the directions first, but we're not really direction kind of people. This has to do, I'm sure, with the antenna. So there it is. It's ready for flight if we had some power. Electrical cord. I think there's a battery in it because this pack we bought has allegedly 3 batteries. So maybe there's one in it, which would be a little, yeah, there is. It'd be a little odd they'd ship a drone with a battery in it, but I imagine they know you're going to use this thing fairly soon. Alright, we're trying to unfold it without damaging it. 1, 2. I think there's another box here of something or some supplies, because it did say something to the effect that there were oh yeah, need to put the propellers on this other side here. So these unfold like so. Anyways, I think there was supposed to be 5 sets of propellers here, so there must be something in a box there. But anyways, here's the camera on this end, as you see, and this is going to propel us to new heights in our exploration as far as where we're going to be able to go and what we're going to be able to bring you. So this is a Mavic Pro. And I think what we'll do tonight is spend the next probably 4 hours reading directions and figuring out if we can understand all this stuff. Boy, it's got a lot to it. And then maybe here within a day or so we will get this in the air. So guys, look at all the stuff. Look at all the stuff that's involved here. We are heading to the lottery store tomorrow. We unfortunately, this might be the first video we have where we are not able to do a scratcher for you, but anyways, this is Yoshi's new toy. He will be the one piloting this Mavic Pro copter. So guys, first unboxing. Don't know if anybody will watch this, but you've got to start somewhere. So hopefully within the next week or so we will be able to bring you some aerial footage with our Mavic Pro. Thanks for being here, guys. Yoshi and I, we're going to work on this tonight. Nevada Arcade, out.